Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we will learn how to print how to print the problem of two-dimensional array. The problem in his name is rotate image of the matrix by 90 degree. Okay, so uh, this is the very good problem which usually asked in interview examination of DSA or this is technical in technical round. So this is my kindly request to you all. You do dry run this problem and you write the program and logics and the problem statement all things parallelly with me so that you can learn this topic in one go only here only with me. Okay, you need to write code parallelly you need to think the logic also. Okay, uh, I will tell about everything. I have already opened it. You open the Visual Studio Code. If you don't have, then you open online Java compiler. But this is mandatory to write the code and everything's with me parallelly only. And you need to start the learning parallelly. Okay. So you need to write here. I'm going to write the file name first. So I need to write here. In the see there is different name of this problem also that name is image rotate problem or matrix rotation by 90 degree dot java. So problem was given like will be given like if user will enter input row and column column like 3. Here should be if row and column will be 3 and 3, then input matrix will be 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 7 8 9. Okay, then rotate matrix by 90 degree will be like see how it will be means 1 2 3 will be come in place of 369. 1 2 3 will come in place of 369. So you need to write like this 3. Here will be 6 and then here will be no, here will be what are you doing, here will come 1 then 2 then 3. See 1 2 3 will come in place of 369 and 4 5 6 will come in place of 258. So here will come 2 2 and then 5 and then here will come here will come 4 5 6 now 5 4 5 and then 6 will come. Okay, 4 5 6 will come in place of 258 and 7 8 9 will come in front of in place of 157. So I need to write here 7 and then 8 and then here will come 9. So this is going to be our matrix rotation by 90 degree. This is going to be our output. Okay, so you can see we need to just what should be the logic is, you already know the the transpose of matrix. I have already solved this problem on here only, Bharat Tech Show channel, on this channel only, Bharat Tech Show. Okay, so you can imagine this problem is solved by two step. Okay, this is the our output. Okay, but in before reaching to output, you need to you need to look this matrix. It is the transpose. It is the transpose of the original matrix, and then the after doing transpose, um, the element of each row is getting reversed. Okay, so after doing these two steps, transpose of matrix and the reverse of each row element, okay, we will get this result. Okay, which result matrix rotation by 90 degree, that is image rotation problem. Okay, so you can see we are going to apply these logics only. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner. Guys, I will write comment for each line so that your logic will be clear and your doubt will be uh, clear. Okay, and your logic will understand, means you will understand each line. Okay, import java dot util dot scanner. Okay, what's the problem is no problem. And here I need to write psvm, that this is the main things. Psvm public. Is it working? psvm not working means you need to write all things public. It's not working right now. psvm is not working means you need to write all things public static void main string args, and then these lines, and then we need to write object for the scanner class. So I need to write here public scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and then south means system dot out dot print ln enter number of rows, and then int n is equals to sc dot next int public. Okay, public static void main string args. Okay, it is right. And then here I need to write shout. It is not working. Shout means system dot out dot println enter number of column. After writing the message, you need to take the column. So I need to write int m is equals to sc dot next int, and after taking row and column, we need to create a matrix with the size of new int n m. Okay, and then after getting the after creating the what size of matrix or matrix, we need to take the element for the matrix. So I need to write here int. I need to write here a message again to ask user system dot out dot println to enter n into m element element enter enter element for the enter n into m element for the array or matrix. Okay, and then I need to enter I need to write logic. So I'm writing for loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus for int j is equals to 0, then j less than will be m, and then j plus plus, and then shout system dot out dot println. So yeah, okay, and here I need to write I j sc dot next int, and I have guys I have taken the rows and column for the matrix and the matrix element. Now I am going to print the matrix, then I will write the logic to transpose the matrix, and then I will write the and then I will reverse the transpose of matrix. Okay, I will reverse the element of the transpose of matrix. Okay, I need to write here I am writing printing the original matrix. So I need to write here for I need to write the same things that I have written here. Control C, Control V, okay. So I need to just change it from here. Here I need to write system dot out dot print. Okay, and after printing this element, I need to write message again. System dot out dot print ln why this problem is coming. Public static void main string here. Yes, it is correct. Okay, no problem, we'll see in later. Okay, and I have written the logics to print the matrix, and then I need to write logic to transpose transpose of matrix. So I need to write here for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, then I plus plus, and then again for loop for int j is equals to I plus 1, and then j will go to n, and then j plus plus, and then I need to write a swapping for int temp is equals to do swapping matrix I j matrix I j will replace by j I, and then matrix j I will replace by temp. Okay, and after printing the transpose of matrix, we need to reverse the element of each row. Reverse the element of each row. Reverse the element of each row of transpose of matrix. Okay, and then I need to write for int I equals to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus. And to reverse each line, we need to initialize two variable, that is low and high, in the for loop. So I need to write for int low equal to 0, and int high equal to what, n minus I, n minus 1. Okay, because element starts storing in the two-dimensional array from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, indexing start from 0 to n minus 1. Okay, I mean, okay, here I need to write while loop. It will run till high, it will run till low is equal to what, high. Okay, and then we need to write a swapping. We need to do swapping, so I need to write int temp equal to what, you need to do matrix I, and then low. Okay, and then matrix I low will replace by matrix I with high. Okay, means in same row, low will replace by high, and high matrix I high will replace by what, temp. And we have done the reverse of the element of the element in a each row. Okay, and now we are going to print the matrix rotated by 90-degree result resultant matrix, that is print the matrix rotated by 90-degree. Okay, so I need to write the same things that I have written here. Matrix the original matrix. Okay, this one is, I need to write here control B. If it will not command, then I will write int I equals to 0, I less than equal to n, I plus plus, for int j equals to 0, j less than m, and then j plus plus, and then I need to write here system dot out dot println, not println, need to write just print only, and then matrix I j with one space, and I need to separate this system dot out dot println, and after writing these things I need to do what? I need to close the scanner class object. So I need to write sc dot close. Okay guys, now we have done with the writing parts. Now I'm executing it. Expected error is system dot out dot println. Here I have not given. Okay, done. Enter number of rows, I am entering 3. Enter number of column, I am again entering 3. Enter 9 element for the matrix, I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and you can see this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the matrix which I want to print the. So I need to write here what? Printing the original matrix. Here I need to write system dot out dot println given matrix, not given, original, I think original matrix is this one, and this is the transpose, and this is the resultant matrix. System dot out dot println matrix rotated by 90 degree. Okay, and then run it. I have missed here. To execute it, where I have forget to write semicolon. Now I am running it again. Row 3, column 3, 9 element I am entering. Original matrix is this one, and after this it is not working. Why? I is equals to 0 less than equal to n, and then I plus plus n minus I सही है. I don't feel any error. Need to write, and I'm going to check it on ChatGPT. Correct. Okay, okay. I have missed here. What I have missed here? I have missed to increase the low and and decrease the high here. Here I need to write low. I need to increase the low and high with minus minus. Okay, done. Now I'm going to run it again. Guys, it is coming. 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. See, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. See, guys, this is our uh, matrix rotation by 90-degree problem. It is very famous problem which asked in interview examination. Okay, college examination, ATP or placement. Okay, drive. Okay, so you need to do this code sincerely. Okay, you can already have done the multiple lectures which I have uploaded, so you can see this is the basic parts we need to write in every code. Okay, each code, like taking in user input for matrix. Okay, like column, row, and element for the matrix, creating how we can create the matrix. Okay, and these are the main, these are the things to print the original matrix. Okay, and this is the transpose of matrix. You can understand why I have done transpose, because 147 will come in here. 7, like 147 will come first in first row, and then it will element will be get reversed. Okay, when you will do dry run, when you will do dry run of this logic or code, then you will get the complete idea. Okay, and your uh, approach will also uh, your approach will also be enhanced, so that you can understand the logics properly, and you can solve problem related to these topics also. Okay, so you must need to do what you need to do, dry run first. What is going here, you need to just taking user input for matrix, you need to print the result, and you need to do transpose of matrix, and then after doing transpose, you need to do reverse of each reverse you need to reverse the each. Okay, means what I mean element of each row. Okay, in the transpose of the matrix. Okay, so and I have written this low and high inside for loop because we are initializing low and high for each row. For each row I'm initializing low and high. If I will initialize it after means outside of the for loop, then it will going to be create error. Okay, and after doing swapping of the element, we need to increase the low with which side, right side. So I need to do plus plus, and then we need to decrease the high with so that it can it can it can move reversely. Okay, means low and high can move reversely. Row will go to right side, and left will and high will come left side. Okay, so these are the basic logic. You already know how to print the reverse of element in each row. Okay, in the matrix, and you have already done the transpose of logics and transpose of matrix. So this is the uh, very basic problem for you guys. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. Okay, and you need to do dry run, then you will get the logic, and your approach will be built, enhance whatever you want to say, and your approach will enhance to solve problem related to these things. This is the main things. Okay, that's why you need to do dry run. You Thank you. We'll meet in another video. Till then, keep learning and keep doing dry run. Thank you everyone. Bye. I'm going to end this.